Hello my dear boys and girls, welcome to your biology class. Last class we have learned about cell organelles which are seen inside the cytoplasm. We learned about the cell organelles like mitochondria, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. We have learned about the structure and function of the cellular organelles. In today's class we learn about 4 more cell organelles. They are Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, lysosome, plastids and centrosome. We know that cell organelles are laying inside the cytoplasm of a cell of both plant and animal cells. Now we will learn about this 4 more cell organelles in detail. So the first cell organelle is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. The function of Golgi bodies are, they are active in the secretion of chemical substance like hormones, enzymes and proteins. And structures, they are seen in the structures of tubules and vesicles. So Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies, their function is in secretion of chemical substances like hormones, enzymes and proteins. They are seen in tubules, tube-like structures and vesicles which is oval in shape. So they are seen as tubules and vesicles. And in plant cells, Golgi bodies are called dictyosomes. In plant cells, they are called dictyosomes. So that's all about Golgi bodies. Now the second type of vesicles we are going to learn today is lysosomes. Lysosomes, they are seen as vesicles or round shaped structures, and they are also called suicidal bags. They are also called suicidal bags of a cell. They are called suicidal bags of a cell. They are called suicidal bags or suicidal vesicles because they have capability to destroy the whole cell. They contain the enzymes which can digest its own cell. So they are called suicidal bags, and their main function is to destroy the foreign particles. If some foreign particles enters the cell, the lysosomes are involved in the destruction of those foreign particles. Now the third type of organelle we are going to learn today is plastids. Plastids, they are 3 types of plastids. They are chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. So plastids, there are 3 types of plastids. They are chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. And these plastids are seen only in plant cells. Plastids are absent in animal, or plastids are not seen or absent in animal cells. Plastids contain a specific type of pigments which have different roles in the plant cell. Now let's see the function of each of these plastids, that is chromoplast. They are non-green plastids. You know, in plant cells we have seen colors other than a green color, right? Which of the parts of the plants have color other than the green color? Yes, the parts like fruits and flowers, isn't it? So this chromoplast contain non-green pigments. So the function of chromoplast is it gives non-green pigments which color the parts like fruits, flowers, etc. So now the second type of plastid is chloroplast. So we know that chloroplast contains chlorophyll. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Now what is the function of chlorophyll? We have already learned in the lower class that chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis, right? Chlorophyll have green color pigments which help in photosynthesis. So the second type of plastid, chloroplast, contain chlorophylls which are helpful in which helps in photosynthesis. The third and the last type of plastids are leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids which helps in the storage of food. So the leucoplast helps in storage of food. So the third type of cell organelles, they are plastids. Plastids are seen only in the plant cells. They contain certain pigments that have specific role in the plants. There are three types of plastids. The first one is chromoplast, second one is chloroplast, and third one is leucoplast. Now the fourth type of cell organelle, and they are called centrosomes. Fourth type of cell organelles are called centrosomes. Now the centrosomes are seen only in the animal cells and they are seen near to the nucleus. Centrosomes are helping in cell division. Centrosomes. So the function of centrosome is they help in cell division. Children, these four are the cell organelles we are learning today. And so we learn a cell organelle which we seen only in the plant cells. Plastids, they are seen only in the plant cells. Now, which is the cell organelle which is seen only in animal cells? Yes, centrosome is a cell organelle which is seen only in the animal cells. And we have learned the structural peculiarities and function of this organelles. Now, before ending, let's revise today's class using a DG video.
Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus. These are made up of tubules and vesicles and are responsible for the secretion of chemical substances like enzymes, hormones, and proteins. In plants, Golgi bodies are called dictyosomes. Lysosomes, they destroy foreign particles which enter the cell. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags because they digest their own cell if cell gets damaged. Plastids. These are present only in plant cells. Plastids contain certain pigments that have a specific role to play in the functioning of plants. These are of following three types. Chloroplasts are green plastids. They contain chlorophyll, green pigment, which helps in photosynthesis. Chromoplasts contain non-green pigments that give color to flowers and fruits. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids which help in storage of foods. Centrosome is located near the nucleus. It is involved in cell division and is found only in animal cells.
Dear children, I like to give a small homework to all of you. A multiple choice question in your textbook, page number 94. So in page number 94, two multiple choice questions are given and I want all of you to do this multiple choice question, two multiple choice question as homework. See you next class. Thank you.